Good evening. I am Zero Martindale.
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
And we're here for another exciting night of mischief, mayhem, and hard trucking sports action.
Yes, we have a number of strong competitors tonight.
Yup, 5 trucks, 20 wheels, all revved up and ready to go. Competitor number 1 is Bolt. Bolt is all about fulfilling his needs for speeds. Okay, that sounded better, Nurse.
Then we have competitor number 2, Boom Boom. Boom Boom is known for great enthusiasm. Always excited, always lovable. If he only paid a little more attention while on the course. Yep, he's a clumsy one.
Next up on the lineup is competitor number 3, Ladybug. Don't be fooled by her sweet girly exterior. Ladybug is fearless, loves to do tricks, and is unafraid of getting her tires muddy.
Then we have competitor number 4, Ollie. Ollie's got the brains all right, but he's very cautious. I am not sure how he'll do in a show like this.
Finally, we have competitor number 5, Dragon. Dragon's ready to breathe some fire tonight. He's strong, tough, and loves to be the center of attention. There's no bigger fan of Dragon than Dragon himself.
Well, that's enough talk. Time for some action! Ready for the countdown 0?
You bet! And we're going to count down backwards from 10 like we always do.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First up is Bolt. Bolt's gonna wow all of us tonight by attempting to do 10 laps around the course in 10 seconds.
Yeah!
And he's off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm sorry, Joe. Did something just happen? I must have blinked my eyes and missed it. Next up is Boom Boom. Oops. As we said, Boom is not always the best when it comes to this little thing called paying attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Next up is Ladybug.
Yes!
She's gonna knock our socks off tonight by jumping through 10. That's right, 10 flaming hoops. My, she is playing with fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, Ladybug can do anything the boys can do.
Whoa!
Next up is Ollie. Can you believe he's going to attempt to jump over 10, I repeat, 10 automobiles tonight?
I won't believe it till I see it, Zero.
Look at him. He's counting each car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Uh-oh.
It looks like Ollie changed his mind. What a bummer. I hope he tries again.
This just in. Since Ollie has decided to sit this one out, Dragon is going to take his place and perform the jump instead.
Yeah!
And here he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He did it!
Thank you for joining us for another night of Monster Truck Mayhem. I'm Zero Martindale.
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
And we're signing off. Make sure you tune in next time. We'll be counting on you.